I hear it all the time. Why would I even want to intake hydrogen gas? Here it is in 3 simple reasons. Reason number 1, it's good. H2 is becoming more and more popular around the world because of its potential therapeutic benefits it can offer to the human body. These benefits are shown to us through peer-reviewed scientific studies, not anecdotal evidence or testimonies, even though there are many of those. Not marketing hype or stories altered from person to person. Actual scientific research and studies. In fact, to date, there are more than 1,700 studies and publications on the therapeutic potential of H2, covering more than 170 human disease models. Through these studies, it can be concluded that hydrogen has therapeutic potential for virtually every organ in the human body. Here is a brief list of the benefits of H2. Selective antioxidant-like effects, anti-inflammation, anti-allergy, anti-obesity, anti-diabetic, anti-tumor, anti-cellular death, decreases excessive oxidative stress, upregulation of the body's own antioxidants, improves the immune system, neuroprotective, radioprotective, protective of mitochondria and increases energy, protective of DNA and RNA and improves cognitive function. On our channel, you will learn about the amazing health potential of hydrogen for things like cancer, heart disease, COPD, stroke, Alzheimer's, diabetes, kidney disease, sepsis, injuries, mental illness, pregnancies, obesity, dementia, inflammation, arthritis, allergies, COVID, the immune system, gut health, increased energy, athletic performance and recovery, brain injuries and brain disorders such as epilepsy, autism, Parkinson's, and more. And we've only scratched the surface. H2 has been shown to do things that are even making the top scientists do a double take. This is, of course, why they are doing more and more research and studies, and why more and more fascinating research and benefits are being discovered about H2. Reason number 2 is that H2 is really easy. If you haven't noticed, almost everyone in today's society has a health issue, and there's so many remedies, health products, claims, and advice out there of what to do given the symptoms. One of the best parts about H2 is that it's one thing with multiple benefits for multiple problems. From the young to the old, from the athletic to the diabetic, from the stroke victim to the victim of seasonal allergies, and even the person that feels completely healthy. H2 can help you just the way it is. On top of that, one of the most popular ways of consuming H2 is dissolved in water. Everyone knows how important hydration is to our bodies. We need water. Our bodies are severely messed up without it. So the idea is that you can get something in your body with a wide range of possible health benefits while drinking something that you are going to drink anyway. This video on understanding hydrogen water, or this video on hydrogen water misconceptions, will answer many questions you may have about hydrogen gas dissolved into water. Another popular way to intake hydrogen gas is with the hydrogen breathing machine. And as you may have already guessed, you intake it by breathing. It doesn't get much easier than that. Check out this video called Understanding Hydrogen Inhalation to understand hydrogen inhalation. We have also put together this fun video on which one is better, hydrogen water or hydrogen inhalation. But whether you're drinking hydrogen-rich water or breathing hydrogen gas, it's safe to say it's easy either way. Speaking of safe, reason number 3 is that H2 is safe. So, out of all the studies I've mentioned, H2 has been shown to have no cytotoxic effects. Cytotoxic just means harmful or poisonous to living cells. Not only that, but H2 is naturally produced in the gut, so it's not foreign to the human body. Not only that, but H2 has been used in deep sea diving since the mid-40s at concentrations as high as 98% with minimal to zero cytotoxic effects. Not to mention, we literally breathe out the H2 so we can never get too much. If you're asking me, this is a huge benefit considering nearly everything has side effects or can be harmful in excessive amounts. Even water can be deadly if you drink too much at one time. We dive even deeper into this topic with this video, is hydrogen safe? So let's review. You should consume H2 because the potential benefits are too many to count. Because it's so easy my 4-year-old can do it, and because it appears to be as safe as breathing. My question to you, is there any reason not to get H2 into your life in some form or fashion? I would love to hear your answers. Thank you for watching our video, and please support H2Minutes through our Patreon account. Please see the link in the description to become a patron and gain access to more H2Minutes material.